Okay, so I just wanted to go over some of the main points we talked about, just to recap, and I think showing you on the video helps reinforce it a little bit. So firstly, the body position. So if we just sort of freeze it around about here, I think your shorts are working well in keeping your hips up, but you can see the body angle there compared to the leg angle. Your feet are still deeper than they really want to be, and partly that's down to, if you look at where you're looking, so you're looking straight ahead there, which is then, because you're looking ahead, that's rotating the head upwards, which then rotates the feet downwards, and it's accentuating that body position. So if you could try and look sort of either straight down or slightly ahead of straight down, then that should then, have the opposite effect and bring the head down more, bring the feet up more, and help that body position. Secondly, the high elbow catch we were talking about. So if we look here now at this right hand coming in, we're going from there to there, we're just pushing down. So everything you've done to that point, if we go back to the stroke before, so from here, that's where you're horizontal. Now at this point, you're pushing water that way. So if the water is being pushed down, your body is being pushed up, which means again, your feet are being pushed down. So firstly, in order to make your body go that way, you need to send the water that way. So you're not helping yourself go forward at all, but also you're accentuating the bad body position as well. So by the time, so you're almost underneath your shoulder, by the time you get to the point where you're actually pushing the water in the right direction, so everything in front of your head is wasted. So what we really want is that, we're getting that elbow at this point here. What we want to happen is that the upper arm stays in that position, and that we hinge at the elbow and get the forearm to come down to this point, so that from that point onwards you can be pulling back that way by keeping that elbow high and pointing that hand down towards the floor. So the next video now is going to have Ian Thorpe, so we're just going to look at him just to show that high elbow, just to be able to compare the difference.